Hello everyone and hello friend. Good afternoon. So now the rain is turned. So now rain for farm tobacco now. Okay guys, now I'm nothing working. So now after I make vlog, I wanna break. I wanna sleep maybe, and I wanna charge my phone. And now I'm sit with my friend Patul Bari, and all my friend go to take the bamboo. So now I'm two people in here, and I'm with Patul Bari and friend else in go to Central Lombok for take the bamboo guys. So this is bamboo for umbul in school. So this is prepare for anniversary school 19. So this is special anniversary and first big anniversary guys. You see guys, the rain is not very big. So because the rain is just turned. Okay guys, now I hope this rain is big turn. So because today is very hot, so I hope this rain is very big turn guys. And now friend, this is holiday in campus, because now in campus segment for akreditasi. So everyone, all activity in campus is off in today. So in today I'm holiday, I'm not go to campus. And everyone, now I'm sit in front of room my friend. So this is my friend, and I sit with my friend. And you see guys, this is papaya. So maybe if I have friend now in here, maybe I wanna make the rujak, because the papaya is red, and it's okay for make the rujak guys. But now I'm not in friend, so I'm waiting my friend go back to school. So now I want to ask to all of you, you listen my song. So if you don't listen, I'm sorry, because now the rain is turned and the rain big sound. But I think all of you listen my song. And today in the morning maybe I wanna go home because in my home, in my garden, my mother and help to me for bring tobacco. Give it tobacco, guys. Tobacco farm. Because I wanna farm tobacco in my garden. So everyone, in tomorrow in the morning I wanna go home, guys. And before I go home, I wanna go to Palamara for take tobacco. And I'm farm in my garden. So I'm take tobacco in grandfather. So because grandfather a lot of had a lot of tobacco, so I'm so my grandfather give me tobacco to farm in my garden. So because so this is tobacco is big chuan, big money in, and this is working and tradition working in every year for farm tobacco. And in 1 year farm tobacco, one farm tobacco and one farm rice, guys. So this is working local people in Lombok. And if you want to go to Lombok, I hope all of you can go to Lombok. So in Lombok a lot of view and view beautiful, so you can see tobacco in garden and corn in the garden and rice in the garden. And in Lombok have mountain is very beautiful, and a lot of tourist countries come to Lombok for enjoy view in mountain, and namely is mountain Rinjani. So this is famous in tourism, guys. So in Lombok a lot of view, guys, and a lot of wisata tourism. So you can see beach, and beach in Lombok is very beautiful, and you can enjoy adventure in mountain because in Lombok have seven summit Rinjani. So seven summit is Rinjani and Sangkareang and Anakdara and Gedong and other seven summit, guys. So you can, if you want go to Lombok, you can search a lot of you can search in Google how about Lombok. So yes, in Lombok a lot of view. So you can see the circuit in Mandalika, and this is famous in countries. So a lot of tourists go to Mandalika, yes, for enjoy the view. So in Lombok, this is very beautiful in tourism. And if you want to go to Lombok, don't forget to come to Seven Summit and other. But I'm in Lombok. I'm local people, but I'm not go to Summit Rinjani, guys, because I don't have money and I'm not in friend for go to Rinjani for adventure. So maybe after I'm finally in campus, uh, I wanna go to Summit Rinjani, guys, because in Rinjani is very beautiful. So I wanna enjoy the view Segara Anak and other.
My friend stop guys. Last I see last
Okay, friend, and my friend he wanna
is
off
this
video because video my friend maybe finally. Oh,
what happened?
nothing. I wanna see you
I will kill you.
because
I will
because
kill you. You know?
because you not handsome and I'm had you.
I kill you. Who very handsome? You or me?
No, no, I'm handsome and you not.
You eyes blonde people. Who very handsome? You or me?
No.
I'm sorry guys. I'm just kidding with my friend
Yes, I'm just kidding with my friend.
because
So my friend Patulbari he's
this
shy for
this
speak to me, guys,
this always
and
crazy
he's
guys.
shy
That's
he, he's shy for speak to me. So I'm very handsome and he not. So because my friend has for speak to tourism from Brazilian not Mau
Colombia.
Colombia, and he speak to tourism. I'm not handsome. And I always remember this is true story.
I for Sai guys. Sai is Nadu.
Yes,
Fried taco.
I don't know because
A fry.
I forget. So
Okay.
you can search in Google Translate.
What is English taco? A fry.
I forget. You can search in Google Translate.
Okay guys, this video vlog for today because I don't know I want to speaking.
I don't
Thank you
know
very much.
speaking.
See you next time.
I see
Bye
you next
bye.
time.
I'm finished.
But I'm not. I'm finished maybe in 1 minute later. Ngeruh diong di. Angka ngeruh ha? Geri hujan ngeruh. Now the time is prayer asar, and you can listen the sound in masjid or mosque, and maybe prayer asar in time 3:30. Seden, hah? Seden nih. Doang enggak tuh. Sugelan aku dah.
Iya, tidak banyak jenis ngangkat kalau bring nama Salim.
By Era Maizura, Anuel. Oish, Anuel.
Ini siapa nih?
Uli.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video vlog and see you next time and have a nice day.